What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise using Premiere Pro. Here you can see I have a video into timeline. Now I want to reduce the noise. First of all, select a blank part where is no space. You can see this part is only noise. Now I want to reduce the noise from this part. First of all, from the effect menu you can just search for denoise. Now you can see the denoise. How to find the effect option? From window, click to effect. You can see the effect option. Just click here to open the effect option. Now click this denoise option, drag and drop into the timeline. Now if you play this video, now you can hear the noise level much better. Now I want to reduce the noise again. Click to this edit option. From the effect control, find out the denoise option and click to arrow button to find the custom setup. Now click to edit option. From here you can adjust the noise level. You can increase this to reduce the more noise. And now click to this, close this window and again play to here. Much better. So you can reduce noise from Premiere Pro using this method. I hope this video is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.